Hello, hello, hello. Can you see my screen now? Thumbs up, please, so that I can move forward. Okay, okay, sir. So now what I'll do is I'll not take the full data because it is actually getting hanged. I'll just take some data so that we can analyze the data on the basis of that. Okay, so three of this GLs I have taken. Okay, or maybe four we can take. Yeah, so four of them I have taken. So this only I want. Oh God. Okay, so copy. I'll just go into my Excel sheet. Oh no. Today there is something wrong with my laptop. So it is taking some time. So bear with me. It'll get open. Yeah. So now we have copied the data. Now we'll just control V. Okay. So the data has come. Now the problem is how to select this data. So I need to just go down, and then I have to select the data. But in 9 lakh line items you cannot go down till the 9 lakh. So this, see, if I'm going till 200 or 300, it is taking so much time. 359. So just imagine what time it will take to just select this data. Okay. So what we need to do is that we suppose if in this data, if I try to filter something. So it is, it is actually not showing because in one line item, they see there is all the data is in one cell. So there is nothing in B. All the data is there in A cell. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to actually bifurcate this data into various columns. Okay. So how to do it? First, what we'll do is that we'll just go on the top. Okay. I'll just remove this. This is not required for me. Okay. I'll just remove it. Okay. So now I'll just select this whole column A, and I'll just go into data. See, there's an option called text to column, right? Can everybody see it? So we need to select the A column, and then because the data is all the data is there in A column. So just do text to column. Okay. Now it will ask you fixed width. So we don't go for fixed width. We go for delimited. So delimited, always you check, always whenever you are doing text to column, you just select delimited, so that data will be bifurcated on the basis of some criteria. Okay. So I have just selected delimited and then next. Okay. So now it asks me what should be the separator. Okay. So separator is something like, suppose if this data is there, if I just close it for the time being, if this data is there, so see, the separator is this this line item. This is the separator for each and every cell, if you can see, right? So what we will do is that on the basis of this separator, we are going to bifurcate it throughout the columns. Okay. So I'll just copy one of the separator. Okay. I just copy it. Copy. Okay. Then I'll just select again. Then go to text to column, delimited, next. Okay. See, there are predefined things. If it was comma, then we would have selected comma. If it was semicolon, we would have selected semicolon. But it is not the our criteria is not there in the list. So what I'll do is that I'll just click on others and I'll just paste the separator. Understood? So I'll just paste it the separator, and now it is trying to show me, how the data is going to get fetched. Okay. So again, you need to press next and then finish. See, I'll just control Z. This was the data where in B column there was nothing. Now in the revised data, every column is different. Okay. Now everybody is fine with it. Everybody can understand it. What was the separator? Why it was put, and why we did this column activity? Yes. Okay. Great, Pankaj. Anybody else? 2-3 thumbs up will actually help me. Okay, not getting. See, what we are doing is, see, what I have done is that initially I have copied the data from text file. Now I pasted it here. Okay, in the first column. Okay, so now every data is there in the first column. See, I am just changing the column, and see this row FX. So there is no data in other columns. I want the data in all the columns. I don't want it in this single column. Otherwise, I will not be able to do anything with the data. Okay. So what I'll do is that I'll just select a column, then text to column, then delimited, then next. Then this already is there because I did it earlier. So again, next, and then finish. See. So I have data in separate columns. Now I can filter, and now I can make pivot and do whatever I want with this data. But the problem is, again, if I try to do a filter, see, it is showing me only one cell. Why it is showing me a one cell? Because there are so many delimiter, so many spaces in between. See, you can see. So imagine these spaces. If you go on and deleting like this, select and delete, then select and delete. So you cannot do it for 9 like atoms, right? You cannot do it. It is not possible for human being to do it. Otherwise you will you will leave your job and go home. Okay, so it is not possible for to do for all the line items. Okay, so then we need to actually analyze the data. So now we are going to see how the data is in order to filter it. Okay, so see, I'll just go here. I just filter. See, here there are no data. There is no data. Wherever there is data, where there is data, this data is there. Okay, so this line item I don't want in my data. So what I'll do is that I'll just filter. See, here also it is not showing me the data, but the data is there, like GL account is there and other things are there. So what we'll do is that we'll just unfilter. Okay, there is a trick to it. How to go at the bottom. So if you go at the bottom, so this is control down key. So control down key, if you put, then it will go at the very end of the sheet. I don't want to go at the very end of the sheet. I want to go and select only those data which is there in the sheet, not the blank columns. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll just